What if sound isn't just noise, but the blueprint of reality? Ancient wisdom said, "In the beginning was the Word," and modern science agrees. Through somatics, sound vibrations form geometric patterns in matter. Change the frequency, change the pattern. That's what your words do every day. They're not just sounds, they're commands. They're vibrations shaping your reality. If this resonates, don't stop here. Go deeper with me in the law of command. You'll find it at esotericastudies.com/LOC. And follow for more on the science and mysticism of words.